Back, Dubers. Joe, Mr. Faust, coming at you with yet another video for Home Depot Seeds. This video will sponsor a Power Spa Air Turbo LED shower head with pressure boost technology. Now this claims to have LED lights, okay, and they run hydropower, no batteries, no electric, so it just runs off the water pressure running through the head. I didn't believe it when I ordered it, but if you go online, there's quite a few of these. This one is pretty cool. If you like, come home and you're stressed out and you just want to shower with low lights, this is the deal. So, it's like a regular shower head. I just turned off my other shower head and turned this one on. You just hand tighten this sucker because it has a washer inside. And if you look, you can see the lights up in there. It has 5 settings. By this right here, you can move it. I'm going to go ahead and turn the water on, and then I'll turn the lights off, and you can get the real effect of this thing. So it says it has different colors, and it goes through all the colors. So you can see it switching colors. It's actually pretty cool. And I don't know how it works, but somehow the water flowing through turns a turbine or something and makes enough electricity for the LEDs. I'm going to go ahead and turn the light off. So that's pretty cool. I mean, it lights it up enough that you would be able to shower in here. You can hardly see it with the lights on, so. But that is the Spa shower head with turbo booster for the lights. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. You know the routine. Share, like, and subscribe, guys. And thanks for coming and watching my video. Watch the colors here change for a minute. There's quite a few colors in it. Like I said, share, like, and subscribe. This is Faust. I'm out.